House.
The house on the hill. The symbol of power.
The seat of power.
The seat of power. The much craved. Oh, yes. Sought after. Yes. Our unifying symbol of power.
The coveted office.
Why I tell you. Actually, the senior most office in the land. Yes. You cannot be any more senior than the president. Yes. And we are some lucky people to have sat there. Yes.
Yes.
Not passed by. Sat there. For quite a good
or a
period.
serious sitting.
Yes. Never mind, I used to go there when I was in class 2.
Oh, but as a visitor of maziwa ya nyao na mkate.
Yes, we used to. Boy used to like kids. He would request the school because we shared the fence.
Wake no wega wari ikuhi. Mioro tutingionire mweke tocio.
No, actually, even given it was an improbable presence. So na kungiarori rware mari cukuru iyo ri. So ngiatiga gokira. So it since underwent some renovation.
And there has been a very heated debate about it.
Of course, the previous administrations have also had a budget. Makoto mena budget ya renovation during Kibaki time, during Uhuru time, and now President Ruto. Kuna renovation. It's not new. And StateHouse ne have budget. There's even a time Korea without a current VP. He had renovated with quite some good money. Yes. So this renovation take place.
Anyway, ordinarily ona nyumba ile tuikaraga cio kombori.
Yes.
Ungithama wi mukombori ri.
Yes.
Gutanoka mukombori ungi kana guoka mukombori ungi ri.
Yes.
Nyumba yo no nginya renovate icokio riri kaundu we thondekwo.
Na ni tuneceka maradi ori aria makwira o hake rangi na nyumba ti yaku. To ngikombora ngari nduhakaga rangi. That has to be checked.
It is the working change of hands with power. You expect no ginyago go to alteration here and there.
Yes. Well, people have mixed reactions. Your StateHouse you made the natural me na president you rocket guku. Ende wako muthoni.
Ni wapo tuano na sherete juzi.
Poswana Yes. How no tuano ni StateHouse ni atwekire flat roof.
Actually on ani mwene ri.
Yes.
I was shocked.
You see? Iyo tugethie ku yari iturubari. Reu badilika kidogo.
Actually ngiona I think the Saturday kana Sunday dona gabica eno. Ngiamba ngiuria wait. Guku niku.
Yes. It actually resembles it ya macako ya thondekirwo ni mutua. Oh, never mind. Come on, nice kid to old. But there is that, the heritage. Yes.
Kaundu icenjetie. Riu gwigucenjia na gwigucenjia muno.
Yes.
Manarutire rufu manaruta ituruba riri.
Na tondu tona ndiurite no ria riri. Ne magihota gucokia ituruba riu ni riega.
Kindu igona ni ambite kundisha ngarigo iguku niku.
Yes. Ngidona na nita araramitio. Kana rio uria. Iria gitwikarite hamunene.
Umare ne kahinda kuma ria twirega guku. Ni wega wambe uririkane twirega kuo hindi ya wathani wa President Uhuru.
Niturumangite heho.
Riu twaikaire rwere ruru rungi.
Twari ha ruru. Twagoirwo mbica.
Na gakarugiri kari ha ne macehire.
Na aria Jeff Kuria athire kugera na thutha akihurumurwo ni ha kirombe we. Yo ni gate ya mutumo. Kuna igiaga visiting heads of Kwa tuonie kuna nginya ka gypsum kidogo. Kuna gypsum. Ada oni raita.
Nyo adi na thina na macio mothe interior no mathake na ore othe mangienda. Thina wakwa we na guku nja. Ai hau harufu ni macokie nyamu iyo.
No na maika guo theri. Floor yaku thini reke tigwo tu mbao. Matigacemwo ni roho wa tairo.
Ni umacemete already.
Kwena tairo. Wacha wewe.
Tathie page ya StateHouse wetha ngembica ni uguciona.
Bana.
Nie ndira. Cieho tairo.
Tairo. Hata kodo kuno kiranga wake igua makinya ni makiruka.
Si ni umesema ni mabadiliko.
Wanabadilisha sana. Hizo twakirangia rufaa rwa mahogany.
Vindu vichenjanga
Na oak.
Itiria no bekio na othe bangienda nayo. Kuringana na tenant uria ukiri kuo.
Aya.
No riu
na kwa kwena tairo.
Inie ne ndicionete. Na tiguthie ni mbica cicu they are in the public domain.
Ene kuroro tondu guma maicenjanagia ma president ri. Antu guikaranga tuone maigana ona ri. Anta wakora mundu akakiugo.
Inde tugombe na thutha. Munene ni endete uhoro urimi muno. Ni arendekithirie kundu guku kugie kiugo. Na aragire nda kunywa iria ekameire.
Na wakionia ngitwathano wake. Kwa livestock hapa nyuma. Kaugo kwena tairo
ciekuo.
Ngapi matucokire iturubare riu ri. Ara to no gukumbite kunika flat roof we on. Hari kaundu we iturubare ri hana State House.
No igwa ni na ni rabite kundigithia gari guku niku.
O State House ni to irio beca ini.
Beca. Ya choretwo ke-ini ni notia.
Acha ikomiria ni na State House girls. No, ita wate chukuru ria moya thia Sunday.
Which one?
The one he used to go to church there. Yes, it was Kabara.
Ai, de toide.
Riu ndindi agitwatha ndagakihanda maembe hau. Ndamuonia maembe-ini.
Kana ikondo.
Iria agitwatha kuu ni jau.
Na hacithiururuke.
Magai. No, there was a quite what do you call this? An antique interior in there that smelled woody. You know, like the wood mask. Nice.
Na wood na power na.
Yeah, wood and power go together. There you don't hear footsteps. Demo no gethina kongi ni kuranga tairo kou.
Wega. Hong Kong.
Ira tutwagura kwa waria hi.
Akiore riri nyamu iriga gwakwo kuo juzi tu na niho micamanio meige kagirwo ngirora mbica cia kuma State House.
No ya steel.
Itago I think the presidential pavilion. Nyamu ina tairo.
Okay.
Utiga kumaka muno.
Sawa.
Sini live.
Sawa.
Kotana igana na mwana wa Jesu.
Asa no gwicura ni ai. Yo na mwari weja ni wika atia.
Niroragirwo.
Ariko wiwe wakinya andu.
Ni undu wa andu aria mena ibatari ya kimwiri twina cia irima.
No akaba twetwo twionere. Twetwo na mbica.
Twionere na maitho.
Yes.
Kana ithu turona mwena ungi. But I don't think.
Aya.
Hivyo ndivyo ilivyo.
Sawa.
Like coming everywhere 44.